Okay, hi everybody. Good to see you all healthy and safe. Welcome to your first session. I thought we would take this first session to get to know one another so I can get a good idea of each one of you on an individual basis. You can get to know a little bit about me. I can let you know how things work in my sessions so you kind of know what to expect, take a little bit of the nerves out of it, and maybe we can even work together to come up with some goals. But initially, I just would like to, get a feel for what's going on in the situation and, who each one of you is individually. So if we could start with you, Mom, and then we'll go forward from there, okay? And all I ask is that everyone respects everyone and just listens till it's your turn to talk so that everyone feels heard and gets them, a second to speak about themselves or state anything that they're feeling today. Okay, things seem to be getting a little bit heated. Why don't we take a beat? Everybody take a deep breath. Maybe gather your thoughts. Think about what it is you want to say. Maybe why we're feeling so heated. And then, Dad, you were just in the middle of talking, so I'd like you to finish what it was you wanted to say. And then, Mom, we'll go back to you, and you can just state what you heard Dad say, and then we'll invite you to express your viewpoint so that both of you can feel like you have been heard. But again, let's calm it down a little bit. Get back to why we're here. Take a breath, take a beat, and then we'll get back into the conversation when we're ready. Okay, no rush. Just when we're ready to start it up again, we'll start it up again. I'll take that cue from you. Okay, well, I feel like this was productive and everyone had a chance to express their viewpoint on what the issues are and maybe state some goals and how they would like to change some things within the family structure, the dynamic. I feel like I know you all a little bit better and where you stand in the family system or in the family dynamic. And I thank you for trusting me enough to share honestly and openly. And I will say, moving forward, it's a group effort, so we're all going to work together to come up with the family goals, but also individual goals for ourselves that we might like to attain. So for homework, I would like you to do maybe a little writing assignment before the next time we meet. Not the perfect family, but if you could wake up tomorrow and the issues that are bothering you now would be gone, what would that look like? What would your ideal family situation look like? And then we'll just talk about it and see what we can do to get to those goals in the end. I'm thinking, weekly we'll get together for an hour. Everyone will have a chance to speak their mind in a safe and healthy environment, and hopefully we'll all respect each other so that we can all feel heard and then work together to get us to a better situation. Maybe face some challenges, change some things up for the better, maybe improve some things that are already strengths to even a higher level of awesome. So that's the goal. I thank you for your time today, and I look forward to working with you guys in the future.